back with another one. Today I'm doing some shopping. Here are some of the stuff I got so far. I got some mayonnaise, Hellmann's mayonnaise, some kosher pickles, ketchup, vegetable oil, even though I mostly use olive oil, but I use this sometimes to fry like particular things. Got some banana peppers for some subs, like some sandwiches, and some jalapenos. Now I'm in the meat selection. I'm just gonna get a couple packs of meat. I also want to see if they got my ham for Thanksgiving. I'm gonna get it now. They got all the turkey Thanksgiving. They got all the turkeys out for Thanksgiving. Too bad they don't have a ham here. They got all the turkeys out for Thanksgiving. Unfortunately, they do not have my ham, so I have to check another supermarket. But look, I'm not even sure how much they cost. Hold on. One of the turkeys are $16. That's not bad for the smaller one. And the big one is, the big turkey is $36.11. Nice and big. So it's that girl Bria back with another one. I just got back home and I'm going to show you some of the things that I got from the supermarket. Vegetable oil, some almond milk, 2 things of sazon, sweet potato pie, DiGiorno, some Hellmann's mayonnaise, adobo, some corn, 2 sharp cheddar cheese for my baked macaroni, and cheese. I got some of these little like sandwich meat for them, ham, turkey, and pastrami, and I think something else. Some Italian shredded cheese. I got these 2 bags of Ore-Ida fries. These are not the fries that I normally get, but these was on sale, so I was like, why not? You feel me? So I got the shoestring ones, and I got the steak fries, which these are like my favorite too. I got some beef patties. Got some beef patties. Some peppers, green, red, orange. I got some smoked turkey to put in my collard greens. Some chicken legs. I got some more cheese, some mild cheddar cheese. I got some sawfish. Some people call it bacalao, but I call it sawfish. Okay. Some beef sausages, brown eggs, chicken wings, ground beef, some stewed beef to make some stewed beef, you heard. I got a chuck steak. I believe this is chuck. Yep, chuck. This is my favorite steak. It's cheap. It's affordable. $8.67. I could do that. You feel me? All the time. I got some ketchup, cause everything tastes better with ketchup and hot sauce. You already know. You already know what I mean. You already know. Got some sauerkraut. Some Kraft Single. This is my favorite cheese. I heard that Kraft Single cheese is not real cheese, but it's good for me, and my son likes it too. And then I got some green beans. I normally buy the green beans in the bag, but I want to try these, so I got some of these. I got some banana peppers, which I want to put on some subs. You know, make a nice sandwich with some banana peppers. I got some jalapenos because I want to make some nachos soon, and I love those. Some pickles. Also got a whole bunch of seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, Mrs. Dash, and the list goes on and on and on. You already know. Thank you for watching my food haul. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more content. Hit the bell to be notified about new content. Remember, one love, God bless.